Hello, and this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, many people have asked us about our soup maker or our Ninja blender that we use regularly in the Milner house. So I'm just going to give you a tour of the buttons. So my readers often ask me about my soup maker. Well, this is the soup maker that we have. It's the Ninja soup maker, but of course in the US they call it the Ninja hot and cold blender because essentially what it is, it's a blender that also cooks. So what you can do is you can make great soups in it, and it will cook and then blend it at the same time. You can use it in the summer for smoothies, milkshakes, even frozen drinks. And of course, you can also use it for sauces and jams. And this is the front display of our soup maker. So as you can see, you've got the blending function for the cold drinks. You've got the cook function for the soups and the sauces and the jams. You've got the chopping and saute function, and then you've got the normal blend, cook, pulse, low, medium and high. In the summer, we always use the frozen drink setting to make our favourite spinach smoothies with. And then in the winter, we mainly use it for either smooth soup or chunky soup. So if we were doing French onion soup in it, we'd use chunky soup, or smooth soup if we were doing cream of tomato. And then the biggest attraction to this soup maker that you don't see with many kitchen gadgets is its cleaning function. What you can do is when you finish with it, you can load it up with some hot water, a little bit of washing up liquid, and then put it on clean and it'll be sparkling new. And then you can just rinse out the washing up liquid and it's absolutely perfect. Not done jamming mine yet, but I have made cheese sauce in it many a time with hidden veggies and plenty of Philadelphia cream cheese. And of course, if you just want to blend something, then these buttons are down here. And also we've used it to make our banana souffle recipe. If you check out our video for our banana souffle, you can see it in action, and that's exactly what's in the machine right now, which is literally blended bananas and blended eggs mixed together, and it's just perfect for making souffles with. So that's what the buttons look like, and like I said, I'm a huge fan of this soup maker. I've had the cheaper Morphy Richards one, but the blender's not very good on it, and Ninja's known for its blenders, so this is mainly a blender rather than a soup maker. So it's blender first, soup and cooking second. So there you have it, there's the buttons on the Ninja. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.